Wow, another fantastic digital watch design. Casio knows what it's doing. I've got here another AE 1200 WH Casio Royale. I like it. I like it a lot. And I've also made a little bit of a modification already. So you know what? I think you get the picture. This one's staying in the collection. I've reviewed it before, but not in this colorway. So let's give her a try. See what's happening here. It's good. It's special. One of the most affordable world time watches on the planet. The Casio Royale AE 1200 WH. I'm Ross. Welcome back to the channel. Let's get a bird's eye view of this beauty. I'll post the specs here for you as well. Get excited, friends. This watch has been around for a long time. I mean, there's no wondering why when you see how much is packed into this beauty design and for how little it costs. Now, today's sponsors, Daily Watch. There's a link down below here. You get 10% off, dailywatch.com. I'm Ross. Thanks for all the support. Daily Watch, I appreciate you for sponsoring this video and all the support over the last year. It's been fantastic. More stuff's coming. We're going to go into the future together. If you're looking for watch travel solutions, storage solutions like cases, stands, mats, trays, robots, you name it, right? They've got your options covered. Even personalization options and embossing on some of the materials as well. And did I mention, like genuine leather stuff here has that really nice smell to it too. Link down below for all of your travel and storage solutions. Daily Watch. Even great gift ideas for watch enthusiasts like you and me. Now, I'll post the specs like I mentioned there. We've got the resin case with the steel case back plate and the acrylic crystal on top. We have 100 meters of water resistance, which is pretty good. You'll have peace of mind around your water sources, which is great. Now, you'll be happy to know this thing can be worn for most activities out there and could still work for smart casual or dress attire. Good looks, great color scheme, and I swapped out the strap to give it a nice look. Now, it also comes in black, black and silver, gray, like lots of options here. And to be honest, even though there's all kinds of color options, I swapped this one out because they usually come on a nice black resin strap with the brown leather. I wanted to give it that elevated look. Comment below, let me know what you think. Now, I'll show you some images there and show you what we're working with here. We'll get a bird's eye view, and then you can make a decision as to whether it's going to work for you or not. For those of you new to the channel, my wrists are 7¼ inches, just so you get a feel, and hopefully you can make that decision for yourself. Men, women can wear this, no problem. I've had a number of them over the years. This is the first time I've had the pleasure of wearing the rose gold one though. Now, module 3299 runs this beauty with a 10-year battery life. Like, it doesn't get any better than that. And your feature set involves world time monitoring, positive digital display, 12 and 24-hour time formats, 5 alarms, 100-second stopwatch, countdown timer, digital dial readout with that world map display there at 2 o'clock, hourly chime, and an orange backlight, which isn't, ideal in some cases, but it actually does the job. It does a good job. Now, the case is 40 millimeters here. We have a 45 millimeter lug to lug, 18 millimeter lug underneath with that connection, 12.5 millimeter thickness there. Now, that's pretty good. It's not sitting too high off your wrist. It feels good. And did I mention the overall weight here? 39 grams. Now, it may be a little bit higher now that I've put on the leather strap, but I don't think I sacrificed any comfort there because it's on point with this leather. Dial display is great. No visibility issues here. Everything's clear, readable. You have 3 main sections for the dial. Top left, you have a digital analog display. Top right, you have your world map that you're used to seeing, which is great. Recognizable for the different time zones as you select them. It's great. Now the lower half, and I should remind you, this is positive display, right? So boom, bold numbers on point, visibility is no issue. And you can see that with a very clear date and running seconds as well with that full-time format. Now it's crazy, the cost. One consistent thing that remains the same over all these years is the affordability of the Casio Royale. Around the planet, pretty much the same price all over the place. That's pretty special. That means it's attainable, right? Anybody's going to be able to get their hands on this one. $45 Canadian. If you have one, let me know which one you have. I want to know which one you have. Comment below, right? It's the right thing to do. Now, it's only going to increase the watch popularity. And you know what? As we grow and as we develop, there's other generations coming up. So the popularity of the watch is only going to increase with this design and functionality. Not to mention, it's cool. It looks good. Now, the original resin strap is lightweight. It looks great. It's not a big deal. It's no problem. It does what it needs to. It works, right? I just chose to put it on the leather, give it a nice, elevated look, and also have a great, comfortable wear. If it's something you're going to wear every day, you might as well make it your own. Put your stamp on it. Wear what's going to make you allowed to have this thing on the wrist as your everyday carry. The original taper for the resin goes from 24 millimeters down to 18 millimeters at the lug connection with the pin and buckle closure. But this one here, I've got it on a nice bandini leather strap, genuine leather. Feels nice and soft. No break-in period required. This thing was on the wrist and no problem. Has nice accent line stitching there as well with 2 leather supports for the strap. Pretty cool. Does the job. Now, the wear overall, fantastic for the money. Enough said, right? Lightweight, all kinds of features that many of us will use. And if we don't, you know what? At least you know they're there in case you might have that one-off situation where you might need it. Perfect. And who doesn't love a world timer, especially if you're going to be traveling or on the go around the globe? Perfect. It works for you, right? You have isolation of 4 specific time zones, and then you have a world time selection. And based on your home screen or home dial set for your time, the watch automatically will let you know what the time zone is or what the time is in the other zones around the world, which is fantastic. The CASIO ROYAL, it checks a lot of boxes, believe me. Now, I'm Ross. I hope you've enjoyed the video. For me, one of the attractive things was the size. It's a little bit bigger than some of your smaller Casio designs like the F91W, the A168, or the F105, which are all, good. They just don't have the same feature set. And with that size and added feature set and that module, I think Casio Royale, for the money, probably one of the best digital watches out there. I mean, I just love showing you the watch, and ultimately you're going to have to make the decision for yourself. I trust you will do the right thing. At this price point, come on, it's a win-win. And if you don't like it, maybe you could gift it to a friend or a family member. It's that easy. Let's not forget, kids could buy this as well, not to mention his or her. And most kids could probably afford this with their allowance. I'm Ross. We're closing in on 10,000 subscribers. Thanks for all the support and coming to the channel. I hope I didn't take up too much of your time and you got what you needed. If you want to see more content or make recommendations as far as what watches you'd like to see me review, hey, drop a comment down below. We appreciate it. And thanks for your time. We'll see you on the next one.